Welcome to Cyber Real Estate Sports. Ooh, I'm still a little fatigued today. I've been trying to get my sleep on. You know, good thing I got this fantasy. It'll give me a boost. Uh, but also see where I'm at on energy. Because if I have a hard time doing a fantasy, then I know I'm sick or something like that. Got a bug in me. And it's hard for me to do fantasy a little bit right now. But as far as like thinking and doing all the stuff I normally do, I'd be more fatigued, having a headache, so I'm just trying to drink some water, get some rest, got my clothes on, hoodie, and then I'm going to drink some tea today. But I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot like I normally do, wash clothes, run errands, when I have energy. So I'm learning to pace myself while I'm not 100%. So now let's get into some NHL job market. We gotta do better on NHL. We've been taking huge losses. And for NBA, how many games we got time? I know we got NFL. I think I'll be a little late for I know NBA because only a couple games playing today. All right, all right. So we got NBA daily. Let's talk this hockey, man. We gotta hit for hockey. Get a better technique, really, not necessarily hitting. My technique is down. NFL. Oh yeah, it should be a little better on the noise. Sorry about the popping. I didn't know my stuff was popping that much while I move around. So I do have some earplugs on with a little mic, and I did order a new one for Amazon for $8, where it has like the what is that? The office room mic on it, so it shouldn't be staticky or make all that noise while I move my phone around doing these picks. So yeah, so look for our stuff getting better and better. You live and you learn and you make your craft better and better. As we did for Rainmaker the other day, and now we're doing this for our YouTube audio. And I like doing YouTube audio because it shows your growth over time for like writing and display thumbnails and your growth over time. So I like going by looking at it and see all the things I went through on learning YouTube and better craft my communication skills so I can get that sports job or something related to sports in the future and go back into teaching uh, as I get over teaching job. And with that said, we're gonna just go with Matthew. Like he's been letting us down for the hockey, but he's number one. He has a really high uh, salary cap over, which that's what we're looking for now. In 15, we're gonna put at $14, 14.44, which we learned from stocks. We're gonna buy two stairs, which we learned from stocks too. Managing our budget. All right, that's done. And now let's go into the NBA. I think we got not that many people playing, but we do have some hitters. I can put some Vicks Vapor Rub in too. It's gonna be a rehydrate control today. A lot of water, tea. So yeah, I might get on after this. NBA, all players. Kevin Durant. Luka's always good. I'm gonna go Alexander Gilchrist for this dude, man, on the team. Like nobody's business. I ain't never seen. I didn't know he was that good. He was playing like an MVP. Right there. Let's take a look at him too. Though he had too much $18. He ain't gonna make but a couple of dollars off that. Morant is looking good too, but that's how much money. So 16. That's a good part from market if you win. They said Durant and I think $14. Durant late last night. I don't really like the one team that's been burnt out. They took a major loss. I was at a Joker, so got a couple good games. I just need a little bit more data. Like, yeah, I'm get on. No, I can't get on. I gotta go with somebody more consistent, like Durant. You know, he don't shoot the rock. That's what Curry looking like. $13. Uh, we gotta go Kevin Durant. I'm a rabbit tearing up too though. Mm, that dude's just tired though. Oh my God, Fox though too. I'm getting my guy Derek Fox. He was at Sacramento. I might go to this game tonight too. Big Mike. Fuck them energy. I got quarter tickets. The Bennett had a start, so I just booked my him. So we're going Fox, and we're gonna go Fox for Jack Market basketball. And yeah, we're getting Jack Market ready. So I'll give you my results later. Thanks for watching Cyber Real Estate Sports. See you next episode. Peace.